Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to store potatoes at home and keep them fresh for a long time. Please watch the video till the end. Right now we are storing potatoes. To keep potatoes fresh for a long time, we are using mustard straw. By using mustard straw, potatoes can easily be stored for up to 1 year. Generally, the ideal temperature for storing potatoes is between 6 to 10 degrees Celsius. However, with this method, potatoes can be last up to 1 year even at a temperature of 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. While storing potatoes, make sure they do not touch each other. With this method, you can store potatoes until the next harvest season. If you are also planning to store potatoes, first select the potatoes that are not damaged, not cut, and have no traces of peeled skin. After that, start placing the potatoes in mustard straw without letting them touch each other. Once you place one layer of potatoes, cover it with mustard straw. Then place another layer of potatoes and repeat the process. This way you can store them properly. Look here, we have already set the potatoes layers. None of the potatoes are touching each other. The mustard straw has completely covered them. As you can see, the first layer is already done, and now the second layer is also complete. Similarly, we will keep adding more layers. Finally, our potato storage process is complete. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I hope you all follow this method to store potatoes at home.